Yep, we are not replacing the pads. The pad is still looking good. And we're just gonna let this guy sit over here. Alright. Yeah! Impact. Whoa. Dang it, this thing is just landed on my knee. Ouch. Oh boy. That hurt. Ooh. The proper way to remove this is you have to have those bolts right here, and then you tighten them, and this thing is gonna pop out, but I forgot them, so I'm just tapping it right now. Gently though. There you go. There. It's out. Oh yeah, this thing is bad. We're gonna clean it up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's really rough. $17mm to undo this guy. This one is a lot easier because it's a front wheel drive. You don't have to deal with the CV axle here. All right, I think we can just pull this thing out straight. Oh yeah, there you go. Pretty simple. Oh yeah. So here is the new one. I don't recommend aftermarket. This is my buddy's car, so I prefer the OEM one. So where is the part number? It's right here. All right. Oh yeah, it is smooth. This thing, rough. Smooth. Okay. They look the same. Okay. This one is ready to go back in. I believe this guy can go in either way. Yep. And start lining this up. First one is in. Second one. Second one is also in. Third. And the fourth one. There you go. All right. There we go. Come on. Get in. Okay. Ooh, pretty smooth now.
Everything else going on with
All right, so line this up right there. Now just tap this a little bit. Don't go crazy. They don't need much. Okay, that's all. We're gonna put this caliper bracket back. All right, so this one fell earlier. We're just gonna go put this back. There we go. Then put the caliper back. There you go. Easy. Make sure when you put the caliper back, the hose is not twisted. Oh yeah. All right, we are all done, but the final step will be a test drive to make sure everything is working fine. I think we got it. I think we got it. That's loud. All right, we need to look at the back because this guy does not have a backup camera. There we go. Oh, look at that. That sun right there. That's actually my brother-in-law's project, and he owned a shop. I'm jealous. Well, someday. Someday. Okay. Yeah, there's still a problem on the front end. The sway bar end links is causing all kind of noise. I verified earlier, and I'm gonna go ahead and mention that one to my friend as well. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. This is fixed, guys. This is fixed. I am 40 miles per hour now, and I don't hear that. The only thing I can hear is the front end because of the end links. We'll take care of that one some other day. Alright, well, I'm going back to the shop and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.